Okay, I'm gonna be singing "Payphone" by what's his name again? Oh, Maroon 5. I know I'm probably gonna sound like crap or something, but I hope you guys enjoy. And I'm probably gonna mess up a lot of my lyrics. So.
And we make
enjoy.
Up rap, so enjoy. Stop.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture when you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it. Is it too late to try? In our time that we wasted, all of our bridges burned out. I've wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sunset in paradise, I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of the things I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all gone. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. You turned your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you love to borrow, but just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my life, I've turned on the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, stuck in this time when we called it love. Not even the sunsets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of the time I spent on you. There's the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All the sweet love songs are the shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. I'm at a payphone.
Shit, no money, money. Girls in the back room, motherfucking nigga. Yo, 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 girls in the back room, yo,
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. All of the things we made for you. If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All these fairy tales are full of shit.